I'm calling concerning aged parents who have passed away and accounts that are left behind. And it's very difficult to claim them from unclaimed property in Montgomery, and you get frustrated after a while. I've called down there. I've done lots of things since they passed away, and they make it extremely difficult. And some of the accounts that previously were there have mysteriously vanished. They are not supposed to get rid of these accounts or give them away to strangers or keep them or sell them.
Okay, John, I'm going to let Sydney talk for just a few minutes. So,
yeah, let me jump in and just say that one of the things you probably need to do first is to be the person that is responsible for gathering together the assets of your parents, which means that you would probably have to be appointed as the personal representative of their decedent's estate, and that may be part of the roadblock you're running into. They need to be certain that they're talking to somebody that has legal authority. So that's step one. And then after that, there could be some of those accounts had joint tenants on them, somebody else that was a co-owner of the account. And if that's the case, they would have paid that over to those other people. I can't speak to the other part of your statement, whether somebody has already come in and become responsible for their estate, that maybe is the reason why they're talking to them and not you.
And explain just a little bit about how important it is to encourage your parents to get a will.
Yeah,
have those things in order.
Having a will really helps a lot, because the person who is appointed as your personal representative, and that's the term we use, you may have heard executor or administrator, but it's the personal representative, and that's the person that stands in your shoes after you pass away. So you can appoint that person if you have a will. If you don't have a will, it's whoever shows up first and posts a bond at the probate court. And if 40 days goes by after your death and no one has applied, then in this county, in Jefferson County at least, the person who's appointed is the county administrator, which does a great job, by the way, but she's not in your family, and she may not be the person that you would have selected. So it is important to have a will, and it's important to think carefully about who you're going to name to handle your affairs.